This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
Hey, DJ!